Hey, what is up, guys? It is Tyler here. Welcome back to another video. Alright, let's get into it. As you can see, I have zero cash left in the account. I did deposit some. Today we're up $5.01, which I think that is more than we're up in the quarter. Yeah, we're only up $4.38 in the quarter. We got 83 cents in dividends so far for the month of June. And yeah, let's get into what I bought. Okay, so if we check out the consumer pie, I threw in ABBV. They had a recent dip and they just bought Allergen. So I decided to build a little position in them and I'm already up $3.88. I would be up more, but that's the thing with M1 Finance is it's good for like fractional shares, but it also has its downfall too, as in the execution time, because they do buy orders all at the same time. I put it in 2 nights before and it didn't buy anything for 1 day. So the first day that AbbVie dropped, I went to go put in the buy order and it didn't buy it for 2 days. So it already recovered a lot since then. So I missed some of the recovery. But that's the only downfall with M1 Finance. Other than that, I can't complain. It's free fractional shares. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you are investing. And yeah, let's go back. I also want to check out. So for the quarter, I am down on that estate one I bought. So FCPT, it is down a little. That's okay though, because they paid us a dividend of 75 cents for 2.6 shares, which is really good. For the day, we're up. For the week, doesn't show us the week yet, but yeah, it's starting to come back. We're down a little bit. I'm not too worried. Other than that, nothing's really new with the portfolio. We are gonna start just adding cash and letting all these numbers get back to their percent targets. As you can see, 16.4%, 16%, 3.2, 21.3, and then the consumer's just way over target because I bought that AbbVie position. So the goal for this portfolio is within the next months, I want to have this at $1,000. So I'm gonna go really hard at it. I'm gonna be really aggressive and throwing money into it. And then one more thing I want to talk about is banks. So the Fed did a stress test and every bank passed except for one of them. I forgot the name. I'm not worried about it because I'm not invested in it. But Bank of America, they just got approved for a huge buyback and dividend increase program. I think it's $30.9 billion worth of shares they can buy back. And also, within the next 4 quarters, they're going to increase their dividend by 20%. Guys, that's huge. All you dividend investors out there, that is big. 20% increase. That's massive. So I really suggest you do your research on the banks. Don't take my advice. This is just my opinion, but I'm going to be throwing some money into this too within the next couple months. Try to build a big bank position. Banks have always been really safe with their dividends. They've always had an increase over the past 30 years plus of increasing their dividends. And they're just good. They're safe. Warren Buffett has his biggest positions. He has, like, not his biggest, but he has two big positions in banks. I think it's Bank of America and Wells Fargo, if I'm correct. Don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure, but that's just what I remember reading. So yeah, guys. Last thing is the G20 summit meeting. So we're meeting with Japan and stuff, trying to end this trade war. And if we do, we could get another bullish run. Like the bull run shall continue, I think. A lot of stocks are oversold at the moment, and a lot are near their all-time highs. A lot of people think we're still gonna become like get into a recession. So what I've been doing is, and what I always suggest is, still invest. Don't be scared to invest because you're gonna average cost. If you throw in like 50 bucks a week, 100 bucks a week, during those dips, you don't have to time it. You're still gonna get like good buying opportunities. But always just keep some money into a savings account. Like throw in 10% of your paycheck into a savings account. So if anything bad does happen, you'll have that cash, and then if you have that extra money in the savings, you can go ahead and buy any good dips we have. That way you average down and you get a really good price on stocks. So yeah, guys, I hope you have a good weekend. Probably won't make a video until after the 4th of July, so have a good 4th, guys, and I hope everyone has a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.